Hey guys, it's Youngmind here. Today we're going to be talking about how to fix the cooked or shader error for Darwin effect. So the reason I'm covering this is because I've got a lot of requests saying that people have got this error, so I just want to help you out. So if this video helps you, please leave a like, and if you're new, subscribe. So what the uncooked error is you'll begin loading the game and it'll seem fine, but then you'll get something that looks like this. Now this is a really easy fix. All you need to do is right click, go to properties, go to local files and click verify integrity of game files. You'll get that annoying noise and then you press yes. And this can take 5 minutes to half an hour, just depending on your PC speed and how many games you have installed on Steam. But you can see for me it won't take that long. It's just stuck on 99 and there we go. And then after you do this, you should be able to launch the Darwin effect as normal and play it as much as you want. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and if you're new, please subscribe. Anyway guys, it's been Youngmind, and I'll catch you in the next one.